Summary of LangChain Community Vector Stores Neo4j Vector Construct Metadata Filter. None. Detailed definition of the variable goes here. Components. Component 1. Neo4j Vector is a vector store implementation for LangChain that leverages Neo4j as its backend. A vector store is a data structure that stores and retrieves vectors representing information from documents. LangChain is a framework that enables the creation of applications powered by large language models. Neo4j is a graph database that stores data as nodes and relationships. The Neo4j vector class utilizes Neo4j to store vector representations of documents and their associated metadata. It enables efficient retrieval of documents based on their similarity to a given query vector. Component 2. Construct Metadata Filter is a method within the Neo4j vector class that helps filter documents based on their metadata. Metadata refers to data that describes the content of a document, such as its author, creation date, or subject. The Construct Metadata Filter method allows users to retrieve documents based on specific criteria within their metadata. For example, a developer might use this method to retrieve all documents written by a specific author or documents related to a particular topic. Description of the architecture supporting the variable. Neo4j is a graph database that stores data in interconnected nodes and relationships. A graph database allows for the representation of data as nodes and relationships. Each node represents an entity, and relationships connect nodes based on various attributes. Neo4j leverages this architecture to efficiently store and retrieve interconnected information. Neo4j Vector utilizes Neo4j's capabilities to store and retrieve documents with associated vectors. The Neo4j Vector class leverages Neo4j's capabilities to store and retrieve documents with associated vectors. Documents are stored as nodes, and their vector representations are stored as properties within the nodes. The relationships between documents can be defined using different types of relationships, such as similar to, related to, or references. The Construct Metadata Filter method utilizes Neo4j's Cypher query language to perform filtering operations on metadata associated with documents. Cypher is a query language specifically designed for Neo4j. The Construct Metadata Filter method utilizes Cypher queries to retrieve documents based on specific metadata criteria. For example, a user can specify a Cypher query to retrieve all documents written by a specific author or all documents published after a certain date. Explanation of the variable S role in the system. The Construct Metadata Filter method is designed to help developers filter documents based on specific criteria within their metadata. The Construct Metadata Filter method enables developers to perform targeted retrieval of documents based on specific metadata attributes. This is useful in scenarios where developers need to retrieve specific subsets of documents based on their characteristics. This method is typically used in scenarios where developers need to retrieve documents that match certain metadata properties or values. For instance, developers might use this method to retrieve all documents written by a specific author, all documents published after a specific date, or all documents related to a particular topic. This method provides a convenient way to filter and retrieve relevant documents based on their metadata. Provides efficient filtering based on metadata associated with documents. The Construct Metadata Filter method allows for efficient filtering of documents based on specific metadata properties. This enables developers to quickly retrieve the documents they need based on their metadata characteristics. The efficiency of the filtering process is attributed to the use of Neo4j's Cypher query language, which allows for fast and efficient data retrieval. Leverages the graph database capabilities of Neo4j for fast and flexible data access. Neo4j's graph database architecture enables fast and flexible data access. The construct metadata filter method leverages Neo4j's capabilities to perform efficient filtering operations based on metadata associated with documents. The graph database structure allows for flexible relationships between nodes, enabling efficient retrieval of documents based on various metadata criteria. Requires familiarity with Neo4j and Cypher query language to effectively utilize metadata filtering capabilities. Effectively utilizing the construct metadata filter method requires understanding the fundamentals of Neo4j and Cypher query language. Developers need to learn how to construct Cypher queries to specify the desired filtering criteria based on metadata properties. This may require additional learning and effort for developers who are not familiar with graph databases, and Cypher may involve complex Cypher queries for intricate metadata filtering requirements. For complex metadata filtering scenarios, developers may need to create intricate Cypher queries. These queries might involve multiple clauses and conditions to accurately capture the desired filtering criteria. Designing and implementing these complex queries can be challenging and time-consuming.